Hi, this is your Where to Find coordinator for London Area Cocaine Anonymous. What the purpose of this video is to show you how to edit meeting information on the Where to Find of calondon.org, which is found through this link here. So what it enables you to do is it enables you to edit the information that's in this little box here. So for example, you can see some meetings have got their updated Zooms, passwords are on some as well, etc. So what we're going to do is we're going to first want to navigate to the calondon.org website, which is here. Once you arrive at this page, you are going to want to scroll over to the members area and click sign up. Once clicking sign up, you will be greeted by a login form, which is pretty self-explanatory. It's just your email, your member or group name, and a password that you choose. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to enter a test email in to show you the process. So you enter that. So type in your meeting name. So I'll just type CA for. Right, so once that's done, you need to click create new account. Now what you can see here is that it says you've been successfully registered and you've been sent an email. So please open the email and click on the link to verify. So what you need to do is you need to go to your email address and you need to click the link there to verify that the email is owned by you. So once you've done that, you need to go back to the calondon.org website. You need to go over to members area and click login. What that does is it greets you with a login page. So log in with the email and the password that you just signed up with. So once you do that, you should be logged in now. So you then go to meetings, you click find a meeting, and then you go down to where your respective meeting is. So say for example this meeting here is my home group, or a group that I'm a member of, and I know the information isn't correct on the info box here. You can now see that there's an option to edit information. So what you do is you click edit. If it takes you to the top of the page, you just want to scroll down to the bottom. Now you can see here that it enables you to edit the information within the meeting on that information box. The good thing is what happens is once you put any information in this box, it gets sent to the Where to Find coordinator to verify it or not. So don't necessarily worry that you're going to mess up the website or put anything that's going to break it on there. Just update it with the information that you know that is correct, so that people accessing the website, i.e. newcomers, will have the best availability for all the meetings that are online. If you do have any issues doing this, I'm available on the email wtf@ca-london.org, which is wtf@ca-london.org. Thanks.